welcome to the Arcus help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to perform a simple Nessus scan. Nessus, or ACAS to those in the Disc community, is a popular test tool for assessing the vulnerabilities of a system. To run a Nessus scan on your deployment, you'll first need to have a Nessus asset. If you'd like to review how to import a test asset into Arcus, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. But if you have a Nessus asset ready to go, head on over to Deployment Builder, click Browse Tests, find your Nessus scan, hit the Add button on its asset tile, click View Details to get back to the Deployment Builder, add a scenario to your deployment to give Nessus something to scan. That said, a test-only deployment is always an option. Give your deployment a name, and on the Custom Properties page you can enter nessus.targets, which specifies the target host or hosts to scan in the case of a test-only deployment, nessus.format, which specifies the format of the report, PDF is the default, and nessus.chapters, which specifies the chapters to include in the report. So let's do nessus.format equals CSV, select Finish and Launch, configure your launch options, and the Nessus scan will run once your DR finishes building. This may take a little while, but once the scan is complete, head on over to Test Results, click View Details, and you'll be able to view and download the full results of your Nessus scan. You can also rerun the scan by clicking the Retest button on the Deployment Run Overview page. If you have any questions, or if you would like to learn more, follow the links in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our knowledge base, and our help channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.